I've been saving my channel strip settings in Logic Pro for a while now, and it has seriously sped up my workflow. If you've created a crazy vocal chain, drums, or synth sound that you're super happy with and want to use it in a different session, save it. Logic Pro will save all your plugins and settings so you can record them whenever you want. Not like back in the days of big studios having to put tape on desks or make notes if they have to do a recall. Times have changed. Take advantage. Save time, save your channel strip settings, create more music. So I'm just going to show you how to do this quick and simple and to see how it speeds up your workflow just by saving your favorite plugins. So first of all, what we want to do is I'm going to go to, say for example, I've got this channel strip setting here that I'm super happy with. So this is my, this is from some vocals that I'm mixing and I'm happy with the plugins I've got in there. I've got the NS1 on there. I've got some reverb on there. A little bit of de-essing and then some EQ, and then I've got a Fairchild on that channel. So I like the sound of that channel and I could use it for another rapper. So if your left side of your Logic Pro window doesn't look like this, all you got to do is press I, just press I, and then you will see your channel strip, or you can just press X and it's going to bring up your mixer window and just click on the channel that you want, and that's the channel here, which is my main vox. We're just going to concentrate on this left side for now. Right click, and then we're going to go to save channel strip setting as. We'll click that, and then Logic's going to say what do you want to save it as, and then we're going to say we want to save it as rapper pre. We're just going to rapper pre 2022. And then we're going to hit save. So notice that where it saves says track. You don't want to change that, but otherwise you're just going to be chasing to find where your files are. And if you look here, you notice it says track, channel strip settings, all the music apps, music users Macintosh HD. So that's just going back. So if you do get lost and you don't know where you've saved these settings, there you can see that's the path you need to follow, which is your Mac HD hard drive, and then user, music, audio music apps, channel strip settings, track, and that's where all your presets are going to be housed when you save your channel strip settings. So we're going to save that. So the beauty of saving your channel strip settings is when you come to do other mixes and you want to use that same channel strip setting, channel strip, you can, and it's just going to recall it as you left it. So what I'm going to show you now, I'm just going to create a new audio file and we're going to recall that channel strip setting. So all I've done here is just double clicked in a little grey space at the bottom and it's made a new channel strip. I'm going to go to settings and we're going to look for rapper pre 22. And if we look, it's brought up all the plugins that we've saved. Settings are going to be the same, 3.7 on that. NS1, the SPL should have a little bit of deverbing going on. The DSR, yep, correct settings. Look, EQ, same settings. I mean, you probably wouldn't use the same settings on if it's a new vocalist, but at least then you've got a little starting point. And then we've got the UAD Fairchild, which is absolutely amazing on vocals. I've only just started using it and I absolutely love it. It's so nice on vocals. Love it. So the other way of recalling your channel strip setting is channel that you're using, and then just click on library and then click on to user channel strip settings, and then we'll see channel that you saved, which is rapper pre 22, and there it is. I don't like doing it that way though, but it actually does seem quicker, so I might just start using that way instead. It would be the same thing with your basses, your music, your drums. If you've created anything, if you've created any sound that you like on that channel and you know you might want to use it again, just save it. Trust me when I say it's going to help to speed up your workflow. It's definitely worked for me. So now you know how to create channel strip settings. I will see you in the next video.